Hi guys. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy new year to each one of you and your families. So guys, most of you would be knowing me, and people who don't know me, I would again like to give my introduction. Guys, मेरा नाम पंकज चुग है and I am working in IT sector from almost last 20-25 years now. So my professional experience, in case we talk about an IT professional, and I've been working for different organizations. Now coming to my personal aspects, and when it comes to my personal aspects, what I am now into, या मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ आजकल, या मैंने क्या देखा है, तो पिछले 2-3-4 साल में I have explored like few things where I got to know life from past, say you can say, from very near, came across few very ups and downs, never expected situations. I lost my brother in 2016, who was close to my heart, who was very close to me because he was just 1 year younger to me, and seems to be 1 year elder to me, and we shared a lot of experiences together. So it was a never expected situation that it will happen ever in my life. And recently in COVID times, my wife lost his uncle, his chacha, who was again just 3 to 4 years elder to me, and I've never seen such a enthusiastic guy, such a motivational guy, such a guy with so much of immunity, but still he could not survive with COVID. He left serving people, helping people in the COVID times, as he was a pharmacist and he helped a lot of people. So guys, हमें नहीं मालूम लाइफ में हमें क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए, बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं. सो एवरीवन हैज़ हिज ओन प्रायोरिटीज़. किसी को लाइफ में कुछ चाहिए, किसी को लाइफ में कुछ चाहिए. एंड गाइस, तो मैंने अभी तक जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है about life, so I would like to share my experience. So what I have experienced so far is, a person needs basically 4 things in his life, 4 healths in case we talk about. A person has to be physically fit and fine. Unless and until you are physically fit, you will not be able to live life properly. You will not be able to enjoy the life. ज़िंदगी तो कट जाएगी दोस्तों, लेकिन आपको वो मज़े ज़िंदगी के अगर आपको लेने हैं, अनलेस एंड अनटिल आप पूरे फिज़िकली फिट नहीं होंगे, अगर आपको कोई भी लाइफस्टाइल डिसीज़ आपका साथ पकड़ लेती हैं. And again, believe me, what are these lifestyle diseases? These are nothing but your thought process which enabled it, or which attracted these diseases, and you are now in their changul. So what are these lifestyle diseases? The lifestyle diseases are problems. These are first of all not diseases, these are symptoms. These are the things that we have attracted by living a wrong lifestyle. So guys, again, so when we talk about changing the lifestyle, again, believe me, it is not that difficult to change your lifestyle, and by changing your lifestyle you can definitely get out of these lifestyle diseases as well. So guys, as I mentioned, first is your physical health. So you have to be physically fit, and again, you have realized in these corona times, person who is physically fit has good immunity, can strong any situations. So guys, in case you need any further assistance on how you can enhance your physical health, and whether it is a again obesity management, so I'm the person who have lost around 8 kgs by not doing anything additional, just small little steps that can help you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So guys, after the physical health, it is the mental health. Guys, hum so again, in case you would have seen my earlier videos, I have mentioned, is it our mind which is controlling the body, or is it the body which is controlling the mind? So end of the day, it is the mind which is controlling your entire body, and whatever we are doing, हम जो भी पूरा दिन काम करते हैं वो सब अपनी बॉडी के लिए करते हैं. सुबह उठते ही ब्रश करना, नहाना धोना, अच्छे कपड़े पहनना. सो यू आर डूइंग वट एवर यू आर डूइंग फॉर योर बॉडी. बट वट आर वी डूइंग फॉर आवर माइंड, विच इज़ controlling the entire body, which is controlling your entire day to day routine. So guys, mental health is most important for my understanding, although all the four healths which I am going to discuss about are as good as any health in case we talk about. So mental health आप कैसे improve कर सकते हैं? Again, you should start a reading habit. Any successful people, in case you talk about, you'll see they have a habit of reading. Once you start reading, your children, by looking at you, all will also start reading. So this is just one of the fact. The other thing is you should always be in a company, in a association of the positive people. Negative thoughts you cannot stop. You will get negative thoughts, you will get negative people, but it is your ability how you will get rid of those things, or you'll ignore those things and be positive. So mental health is again a second health which I talked about. Guys, the third health is the social health. So when I talk about social health, it talks about the relationships that you have with your spouse, with your children, with your parents. This is one piece. Second is the relationship that you have with the outside world, guys, because end of the day you are not surviving or living just with your family. It is, you have to deal with the people outside, whether you are working, whether you have your own business. So how you are dealing with the people and how they take you is factored in the social health. So guys, it it matters a lot when it comes to social health, because human being is a social animal. So you cannot live and stay alone within your family as well. So you need some external partners to motivate you, to provide you certain services, to give you happiness. So social health is most important. And what exactly is social health? In case you talk about now social media, so I think I have 1,000 plus friends on Facebook, but I am really not sure. In case I want today some assistance from them, some help from them, will even 1% of those people will come to help me and do the really you know have good social relations with me. So this is about the social health. So it is the pure relation that you have does matters. And guys, last not least is the financial health. So guys, आपके पास फिजिकल हेल्थ भी है, मेंटल हेल्थ भी है, सोशल हेल्थ भी है, लेकिन पैसा ही नहीं है. So I can't say what is the importance of money, so you would know better that how money plays and what money plays the role in your lives. Although again COVID has taught us that running a house is quite easy by spending money wisely, by not wasting it in the unessential services. But guys, again, if you want to donate, if you want to have leisure time, there are certain things which you can buy only with the help of money. So guys, no matter whatever you are earning, whether you are earning 5,000 rupees or you are earning 5 lakh rupees a month, you need to have a disciplinary method of saving your money, so that you can save the money at least for your three financial goals, which are most important goals of anyone's life, which is your child higher education, which is your child's marriage, and your own retirement. Guys, whether you agree or you don't agree, you will need at least these three situations will definitely come in your lives. And unless and until you have planned for it, guys, it will be really difficult to face these situations. And again, I was surprised when I joined this financial awareness session and a financial program for Mr. Varun Malhotra, who taught us, like by just saving very minimal amount from our salaries, which is not even 5% of the amount that you earn in month, you can have crores of rupees. Yes guys, you can have crores of rupees once you get retired. So it is how you spend or how you save your money. So in case again you need further information on this, you can definitely get in touch with me. I'm not charging anything, guys. Let's have 1 hour of session. Let's have a 1 hour tea session over the virtual or over the physical media, and let us sit and discuss about whether it is a physical health, social health, mental health, or financial health, which might be a critical health area from your side, which will ओपन योर आइज़, जो आपको बताएगी कि सिर्फ 2000 रुपये महीना सेव करके भी आप कितने लाखों रुपए बना लेंगे, या 5000 रुपये महीना सेव करके आप करोड़ रुपए तक बना सकते हैं गाइज फॉर योर रिटायरमेंट. सो दिस इज़ हाई टाइम गाइज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, because none of us have any retirement plans, and whatever retirement plans that you have bought from any of the organizations, just see what is that they are going to pay you during your retirement. So that is again one of the aspect. And again guys, for your children higher education, today you know how much money is required in case they want to go for either a MBBS course or a engineering course. So this is my message to you on this new year 2021. May this 2021 help you guys achieving all your dreams that you want to achieve. So with this I would close this, and will wait for you guys to get back to me, that we can meet over the cup of tea or coffee and whatever, uh, and let us chit chat to have or to maintain better social relationship. Thank you very much. Goodbye.